Today, we had the preliminary hearing on a violation of oath of office, a 6 counts of criminal attempt, unlawful surveillance, and 1 count of alleged unlawful surveillance of a person.
And what is he alleged to have done?
What the corporal has charged my client with is, in essence, allegedly placing some type of recording device in the bathroom of one of the local fire stations here in Columbus.
Okay, and what happens next? How do you see this case playing out?
Well, with some of the charges, I think there may be an issue about the 6 counts of criminal attempt, as far as some technical issues, as far as an intent. But that's something, obviously, once the case goes up to the grand jury and get to the DA's office, I get with the assistant DA on that and trying to expose, I think, what I feel is consistencies where it wouldn't match up with the law, but there's still, time to do that. The court collectively set a $60,000 bond collectively on all the charges. So my client is trying to get with his family and deciding whether or not to post that bond, or whether or not, after it goes over to Superior Court next week or so, to try to ask one of the Superior Court judges to lower that bond to make it a little bit amenable for my client to post bond.
And does he get to address the grand jury?
That's one of the questions I asked right at the end, whether or not the corporal is alleging that this took place while on duty or off duty. Because under our current case law, Georgia law, that if it's alleged to have occurred while he was on duty, then my client has an absolute right to testify before the grand jury and give a statement before the grand jury. But if it's not on duty, he does not have that right. But they also did say the allegations are that it happened while he was on duty. So when the case goes to grand jury, the district attorney will have to give us notice that he does have the right. Now, he does have the right not to testify, but the district attorney has to put the person on notice that they do have the right to testify, and it's their choice if they choose to.